Let's get the tailgate chains done, some more interior stuff. I popped the seat back in and we buttoned up the fuel lines and the battery cables. Let's get into this video. This is what I did on the back side. I put little hold-on straps there and over there. I'm thinking I'm going to put another set probably up here somewhere, so that way if you ever need to strap anything down, you can. So we got all our battery cables all buttoned up. We've got our fuel line all done. And that's all the way there. I actually was leaking from the fuel fitting right there, so I had to tighten that up, and then I just finished running and attaching it all. As you can see, I used the little rubber clamp deals. Yep. So, on to the next thing. Okay, so I'm going to work on the inside panel. I'm working on a couple different things, either one piece. I close all the whole curve, or put a section of carpet in there that goes all the way to the other side to fill this part up. And then this is the other one. Like that. So I'm just trying to fit it up, see which one I like better. But I think I'm going to put carpet all the way up to here. And then when I make that piece, that trim piece that goes right here, it's going to run all the way up to there. That way it'll lock it all in. That's what I'm thinking. I should have made the carpet all the way up to here in the first place, but I didn't think about it, but now I did. So for the next build, I will put the carpet all the way up here if I get into a COE again. All right, so let's get into this one. one side all done. I decided to go ahead and make 2 pieces. So this one goes underneath that piece. Kind of like how that looks better. I'll just have to make the trim piece. Goes there and then there. Yep, now just repeat that for the driver's side. Piece of aluminum, 1 by 1, 16th thick. So I'm going to make that bracket that goes along here. I don't know what I'm going to do here yet, but I'll see. Let's get into this one. There we go. So, we got the interior panels done, both sides. We got the trim piece in with the little rubber guy. We got the back panel carpeted. I did get the dome light going, so that's working. Let me climb up in here. There we go. Let me show you the other side. And there's the other side. So there's the seat in there. It's just setting in there. I bolted down the seat frame, but I still have to bolt the seat down. I put it back in, so I think I want to bring the angle of the steering column down a little bit. So I wanted the seat back in there just so I could test that out. I got to pull the seat back out because I still have to run that rubber seal that goes all the way around that back door on the inside. And with the seat there, you can't get to that part. Yep. It's definitely a tight fit in there. I'll show you from the other side with the door shut. So let's take you around. Probably, I put this little grommet in here. Yeah, you're not gonna find that little grommet anywhere. At work, I replaced a Ford door skin, and that little grommet thing is off the door right underneath the door latch. And I actually had an idea when I was replacing the door and all the parts that, oh man, that would probably work for this little drain thing. So that's what that is. But anyway, so there it is. Like I said, it is a tight fit. With the door shut, it just touches it because the bolster is out so far. But yeah, I do love the seat though. That's gonna wrap up this video. Hit like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, say hi, and remember, go out and build something cool. We'll see you next time.